Good day everyone. So we are here again. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money selling digital products on WhatsApp. That is how to monetize your WhatsApp. So I want you to follow me to the end of this video. Like it, share it, comment I am learning, and also subscribe and turn on notification. So here we go. As you can see, friendly step-by-step guide, make money selling digital products on WhatsApp. So this is the introduction page, how to make money selling digital products on WhatsApp, beginner guide. Page 1, introduction. So if you are reading this, it means you are interested in learning how to make money using your phone. This will show you a simple, beginner friendly way to create and sell digital products on WhatsApp. No stress, just clear step. So I created this for many people just think WhatsApp is a place where you chat, watch status and do other things, but you can also monetize this WhatsApp that you are using. So in this video now, we are going to learn how to create and sell digital products on WhatsApp. No stress, no confusion, just clear and straight. So let's begin. So in page number 2, first of all, you need to know what is digital product. Digital product is simply means item you sell online that people can download and read. No delivery fee, nothing, just straight to the point. Okay, so example of digital products are ebooks, guidelines, checklists, notes, mini course. So there are many types of digital products. Mini books, as you can see, as listed. So the good thing is that if you create a digital product for once, you can sell it many times. No delivery fee, no shipping fee. You can just sell it as you want, how many people you want it to. As you can see here, you can sell it many times, no delivery fee and no shipping fee. Just if the person purchase it, you send it through the WhatsApp. So I hope you understand what are digital products now. Then why this work? People are already on WhatsApp every day. So instead of looking for customer outside, you bring your business where people are already. This is why WhatsApp is very powerful. Like somebody like me now, I may enter my WhatsApp up to 50 times a day. So people are already there. You have already get contacts of some people, so no need to looking for customers outside, just direct to your WhatsApp. So let's go to page 4. What you need to start: a smartphone, internet connection, Canva app for design, and WhatsApp. That is all you need, no laptop. This is a very important page. Many people in the world now think that without a laptop you cannot earn money online. That only laptop is only way you can earn money online, and that is a big lie. Once you have a smartphone and internet connection, there is no way you will tell me that you are not making money from your smartphone. But the problem is that many of us, we misuse this app, like we misuse this smartphone. So after all, we are now saying that you don't have a laptop, you cannot do anything. So a smartphone is enough for you to kick off. Let's go to another page. Follow this video to the end though. Let's go to another page. What to sell? This is important. Do not sell random things, sell solution. Many people will be just creating what they like, and that is not how it is being done. Okay, so do not sell random things, sell solution. Like now, if you create what I eat in home, nobody will buy it because nobody is ready to know what you eat in home. But when you create a course like how to make money within how to make $1,000 within 1 month, or how to make your first $100 online as a beginner, or something like that, you will be sure that you know many things. So you will be sure that you will make many sales. So do not just create random courses. Sell solution like how to make money online as a beginner, how to grow your WhatsApp business, how to save money, how to start a simple side hustle guide. So pick something simple that helps people, not just a random course. So I hope you get some impact in this page. So let's go to number 6, how to create your product. So now open Note app or Word, write a simple information, break it into section, move into Canva, design it nicely, keep it simple, don't overthink. So many people just overload their products, and when someone buy it, they will not give any feedback due to the thing is just complicated. No simple strategy, no clear information. Just keep it simple, don't overthink. So now, how to design it in Canva. In Canva, choose A4 document or ebook, add a title, use a simple background, keep text clear and readable. So make everything clear and readable. Don't make it too much colorful or confusing. Simple design sell better. Okay, simple design sell better. So now, how to create your product, how to price your product. In this page you will learn how to price your product. So as a beginner, don't just have to create a product and sell it 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira, no matter what you sell. Okay, as a beginner you have to start small. When you have feedback, testimonials, then you can increase, even if it's 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira. So far you have testimony, feedbacks, and a lot of them. So as a beginner you just have to start small and keep increasing your price as you grow. So page 9, which says how to sell on WhatsApp. This is the most important part. So how to sell on WhatsApp status, direct message, friends and contacts. So many people are having the problem of not reaching out to people, like being shy, being ignored. When you have people's contacts, you can send it to them. Many things you can send it to them. Don't be shy. If you want to make money, you have to stop be shy. Okay, so you have to post daily tips, value, not post daily, not when you need money. You have to post daily tips, value, small advice, then promote your product. As for me now, I make daily sales on my WhatsApp status. I make sales on my WhatsApp status. Sales digital product that I created just with my smartphone. I make sales with my status. So then you promote it. Page 10, simple status post. So many people are just posting random messages on their status, which they can monetize. So these are the sample status posts, like example of what you can post. Like, it's just an example. I don't mean you will copy and paste it, but it's just an example. Okay, do you get it? So most people fail online because they don't start small. I just help someone understand how to start online business. So if you want to learn how to start making money online, message me. So many people has not their, let me just say, their salary and they are working salary, like anything they are doing physical, if the thing is not giving them enough of money they want. So many people want to start making money online to support their lives and solve some problem. So if you post something like, if you want to learn how to start making money online, message me. So those people that you have their contact can message you. Just forget about the age is nothing. They can message you. What is important is the impact you add to the person. So they can message you directly and you can make a sale through it. So page 11, which says how to get your first sale. I talked this thing earlier, don't be shy, and you can see it is here already. So do this, tell your friends, post every day, talk to people personally, don't be shy. Your first sale will come consistently. When you tell your friends, let me just say you created a course on how to make your first $100 or $1,000, or how to make $1,000 monthly with just your smartphone. So you will know, if you tell your friends, anybody in this world need money. So there is no way you can tell me that no one will buy the course. So when you post every day, they will know that you are serious. You are not just posting a random course. So you have to post every day, not when you need money. So talk to people personally, you talk to people physically, and don't be shy. Okay, so your first sale will come consistency. So this is the final advice, which is the final advice, that is the page 12. So success online is simple. This is really true. To be success online is so simple. So you have to learn, you have to create, you have to sell, and you have to repeat it. Don't just learn, you have to practice. You learn, you practice, create and sell, and you repeat it. And don't wait for perfect time. This is the thing that has been killing most people online. I will start tomorrow, which is very, very bad. I will start tomorrow, which is very bad. Start small and improve later. That is the strategy. You have to start small. So don't be just, you need to start big, waiting for perfect time. I will start tomorrow. There is no perfect time. As time goes on, things start being complicated. So start the day you want to grow. Thanks for watching this video. I want you to like it, comment I'm learning, share it to friends, turn on notification for more videos. Remain blessed.